In this video, I will show you how to make effective and dramatic photos that look nice by coloring portrait photos with red and blue using Photoshop. You can find similar portrait photos online, especially if you prefer photos with a black background during your search, or if you are applying it to your own photo, it will look much better if you apply this effect after turning the background to black. I will duplicate this image. I delete the background layer because I don't need it, and I duplicate the remaining layer with Ctrl J. We will have 3 copies. Let's name them right away. I'll name the bottom one red, the one above I'll name it blue, and we will have an overlay layer. Now we are going to edit the bottom layer first, so let's make the first 2 layers invisible. Right click on red. I choose blending options. A window like this will open. In the blending options tab, you will see channels, and next to it you will see RGB options. Since this is the red layer, I am unchecking the green and blue. There remains only the option where we will see the red color. Click the OK button to close this window. Now let's make the blue layer visible. We will do the same to this. I right click and select blending options. This time here we will uncheck the red color and I click the OK button. If we remove the layer name red, we will see an image like this. Now let's turn on the visibility of the 2 layers we edited. We will need to convert the color layers to Smart Object. I right click on each one and select Convert to Smart Object. So we will be able to see the red color here. Let's do the same for blue. Let's make this layer also a Smart Object by right clicking and selecting Convert to Smart Object. Then let's make the overlay layer visible and select Overlay from the blending options in the drop-down box. That's it for our editing operations on layers. Now with the layer named blue selected, I click on the masking button. So with the help of this mask, we will be able to edit the layer. Now I select the gradient tool. When I choose this tool, make sure it is black and white from the color options. It will be black and white. And from the gradient options, we choose the first option, namely the linear gradient. Here we will do a painting while selecting the masking area. However, if you are not sure, you can see that this part is selected by clicking on the left icon first to understand the difference. Then clicking on the white area on the right. Then I slide the gradient tool over the portrait photo. You may need to do some trial and error to get it to slide right in the middle. If the visibility of these colors is high, we may need to reduce the opacity of the overlay layer a little. For example, I set 100% to 60% or make it 70%. This will vary based on your photo or how intensely you want to see these colors. Adjust this opacity value for yourself and you will have the most beautiful color tones that look good on you. In this video, I showed you how to give dramatic effects on portrait photos using Photoshop. We gave this effect by using RGB color tones. Thus, we were able to get this effect practically without much effort. I hope it was useful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.